Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum in the right way. Begin by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any impurities. Next, apply a gentle toner to balance your skin's pH. Ensure your skin is completely dry before proceeding, as this step is vital for optimal serum absorption. Next, dispense about 3 to 5 drops of vitamin C serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum onto your face and neck, distributing it evenly. Avoid rubbing too vigorously. A light patting motion is best for absorption and effectiveness. After the vitamin C serum has absorbed, you can apply other serums or your favorite moisturizer. For best results, use the serum once daily, typically in the morning. Always remember to finish your routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin. To maintain potency, store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Watch for any significant color changes, which can indicate oxidation. For optimal effectiveness, aim to use the serum within 3 to 6 months after opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.